मैट्रिक का रिजल्ट आ गया बट नाउ व्हाट? विच कॉलेज, विच फील्ड, ICS, OICOM, pre-medical or something totally different? This video will guide you step by step so you don't waste time or make the wrong choice. Let's get into it. Your result is not the end. Whether you got 1100 marks or 550, remember this is just the start. Your marks can open some doors, but your decisions open the future. Start by looking at your subject. Which one did you really enjoy? Talk to your parents, teacher or mentors. But remember, it's your decision. Don't follow what your whole group is doing. What works for them might not work for you. Choosing the right field after matric. This is one of the biggest decisions. Here are the main options. Pre-medical. If you love biology and you are okay with long study hours, this leads to MBBS, BDS, DPT and more. It's competitive. Be ready for entry tests like MTCAT. ICS, Computer Science. Best for students who love computers, problem solving and logical thinking. Leads to fields like software engineering, data science, AI, etc. You don't need to be a math genius, just consistent and curious. ICOM, Commerce. Great for those interested in business, banking, finance or entrepreneurship. Open doors to BBA, CA, ACCA, economics and e-commerce. FA, Humanities, Arts. Perfect for students with interest in literature, psychology, teaching, law, journalism or social work. Not a weak option, just different. How to choose a college smartly. Make list of top colleges, government and private in your area. Visit websites or campuses. Check their last year merit, fee structure, campus vibe and co-curriculars. Ask seniors. They'll tell you the real story, discipline, teacher, environment. Don't choose your field in a hurry. Take your time, research and decide with confidence. Drop a comment which field are you planning to choose. If this video helped you even a little, show some love with a like.